Alright, good morning guys. Another day in the tropics. Welcome to the vlog today. Today's a big vlog. This vlog is sponsored by Bali Top Tours. So they picked us up from Kuta and we took a 35-40 minute van ride out to Sanur, where we're going to be taking a 35-40 minute ferry out to Nusa Penida. This place is the most beautiful place all of Bali. Super stoked for this trip. I was in Nusa Penida about a year ago and yeah, we'll see what it looks like this time and age. Alright, so Sanur's right up here. Oh, bollocks. Speaking of bollocks, I'm going to introduce Tanya to the vlog today. I met her in London and
You didn't meet me in London. She's lying!
Tanya's from London. I met her in Africa about a year ago. And yeah, great travel buddies. Is this your first time in Bali?
It is my first time.
How stoked are you? Oh, we're just walking, sorry. And this is our trusty leader, Weta.
Hey, welcome to Bali, welcome to Sanur.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
Bali Top Tours.
Bali Top Tours.
Explore Nusa Penida.
Ah, so pumped. Ferries or the boat should be waiting for us right out there. So this is probably the company we're using to take us to Nusa Penida. One of those boats are ours. So nice. So nice, yeah? Ew, water. So we got about a 45-minute boat ride out to Nusa Penida, and yeah, we'll be there. All right, here we are. Whoa! Alright, we made it to Nusa Penida! Oh my god, look at that water! So after about a 45-minute boat ride, we made it to Nusa Penida finally. I was here about a year ago and I think I stopped somewhere else, but still, this is amazing right now. So if you use Bali Top Tours, they're 850,000 Indonesian rupiahs. That's equivalent to about $62. They'll pick you up from your hotel, boat ride to and back to your hotel. You get an AC van and you get to tour around the full island, including a lunch. So, how do you feel?
Hot, excited.
And as you can tell, she's from London, so if my London voice comes out randomly,
it's crap.
It's oh no. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Are you guys ready to go?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh, okay, let's go, guys.
Just in time for tea and strumpets. Are you guys ready to go?
The insult.
Sorry. It's love. If you're insulted, we love you. So yeah, we have a private van waiting for us, an AC van. They're gonna take us to some of the most amazing viewpoints you will ever see. I am so stoked to fly my drone. All right, so this is our van, AC'd and all, love it. So I think last time I rented for $8 American a motorbike. So I had a motorbike guy take me to 4 different spots. This is a little bit nicer. I'm in an AC van. Oh, I could feel it. It feels so good. Yeah. Wow, there's really a lot of buildings being built out here. Tons of tourism really booming out here in Nusa Penida. It's a good thing though, kinda, right? Oh man, this is getting wilder. There's a ton of chickens crossing the road. Oh, and the baby's right back there. Oh my god.
Little chicken chicks.
I remember this road so well. It is so bumpy here. Oh my gosh, look at all those roads. It's just not paved at all. Woo! All right. This is getting crazy. Look at this. This is getting so crazy. Check it out. Oh my gosh. They're going super slow for a reason. I think they want to live. Oh! Alright, we made it. I feel like this isn't that many people. So what we did was some of the tours backwards, hoping that there won't be as many people. Instead of doing Kelingking first, we're gonna do Broken Beach and Angel Billabong. Hopes that it won't be as touristy or as populated. Here it is. Wow. Look at that view. This is beautiful.
Stand in my view.
Sorry. Jesus, better not stand in her view. Alright, so here's officially the start of Angel's Billabong and Broken Beach. Kind of an overcasty day, so it's not as hot as it would be. Well, actually, spoke a little too soon. Hopefully the sun comes out so we can get the nice clear blue colors of the ocean, the way it reflects with the sun. So just about a year and a half ago, this was all not there. This was just rock, this was dirt. There wasn't any pavement over there. This is all brand new, this ground right here. Yeah, this is all brand new. After a tiny hike, I think this is it. This is Broken Beach. I got an awesome time lapse here last time when the waves is just crashing in, but look at that water, how blue it is. Oh my goodness, green, blue, cerulean blue. This is amazing. Absolutely love this. You got all the birds out. So that's the viewpoint that a lot of people will take a photo. That's like the center of it.
I'm vlogging you while you're vlogging me.
Sounds good. Oh, people are swimming right in there too. This is gorgeous. So yeah, the views extend far, 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 far out. All around the island, there's just absolutely beautiful viewpoints. This is Broken Beach. This is the first viewpoint we're going to.
This is more beautiful than Wakanda.
This is gorgeous. Oh no, it's drizzling a little. Take cover. Oh, he just winked at me. Oh, you too. You got the kids eating back there. Kids. Yeah, we got caught in the rain, so it's raining a little bit. We're gonna take cover right now, and hopefully it dies down. We can go to the next spot. But all right, and the sun's back out. You can actually see the blue, and the different aqua colors of the water. There's like different green, blue, cerulean blue colors of the water now that the sun is out. This is super, super beautiful. Should we go to the next place? All right, thank you, guys. Let's do this. All right, so this is Angel Billabong. Last time I was here, the waves is basically crashing right in here. I still jumped in the pool, and yeah, it was a little dangerous. They recommend that during high tide you don't go in here because it'll just suck you back out into the ocean. But this is Angel Billabong. It's a little murky. I already jumped in last time, I'm good. You wanna get in? Yeah. You should.
People in my way.
There's too many people in your way. Excuse me, the princess, the Queen of London is here. Excuse me, part ways.
Royal Highness.
Peace out, Angel Billabong. I'm stoked for the next place. The sun is out. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating clearly. We're ready to head back to the car. Ahead to Kelingking. Oh, this is a beautiful day now. See, that's the thing. Right now it's the end of rainy season, so it would rain for a quick 10-20 minutes. Goes away, the sun comes back out. I'm good. All right, I totally lost my sunglasses, but it's okay.
Hey Lauren, how about we take the back?
All right, 40 minutes and we're till Kelingking. All right, we made it. All right, so we made it to Kelingking Beach, Kelingking. Oh, this is very exciting. So the last time I was here, this was not here, this was not here, this was not here, this was not here, that was not here, that was not here, none of this was here the last time I was here. So I was here about a year ago, and you could definitely say development took over. You know, a lot of YouTubers, Instagrammers, people are, definitely social media is blowing this up. There's a lot more people than last time too, but it's okay, right? So down here you go. Look at that. Whew. It's like Jurassic Park. Whew. Oh my God, we made it. Oh my gosh. What do you think?
Looks like a big old whale.
I think it looks like a turtle.
A turtle?
A turtle head, yeah. Turtle mouth, there you go. Some people say like dinosaur too. You can actually walk down the beach. Down there, it takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours. You can swim with mantas down there supposedly. So that's kind of cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's shoot the drone up.
Drone time?
Drone time. Group photo.
Look up.
Group photo. Oh. Oh, this is great. Well, this is what you get when you get this. This is the most beautiful place in all of Bali. Kelingking, right here. What do you think? Yeah? Incredible. Have you been to a place like this? Hawaii, I guess. Hawaii relates? Okay. This is what is worth coming to Nusa Penida for right here. The turtle head. All right. About a 30-minute drive. Here's our lunch spot for today.
And at this point of the day, we had a quick meal and headed to our last spot of Crystal Bay.
So I just got an awesome drone shot at Crystal Bay. This is Crystal Bay. Palm trees are back there. The water is super, super crystal clear normally. There's like little tree houses that you can normally climb up. They have something blocked off. Last time I climbed up it and oh well, it's still good vibes. There's a lot of shops here. You can get some coconuts, get some beers. I think we're about to head out now. All right, so we got 45 minutes to make it to the boat. It's about a 40-minute boat ride. Pressing the time, pressing the time. Let's go, let's go. We gotta make a boat, we gotta make a boat, we gotta make a boat, we gotta make a boat. Oh, go, go, oh, it's me. All right guys, I am back at the hotel. I finally finished and edited the Nusa Penida vlog. That there was the Nusa Penida vlog. I've been super excited to actually visit Nusa Penida for the last year since I got back from Bali. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the most beautiful place in all of Bali, in my opinion, let's say. If you guys like this vlog, definitely hit the like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you have any questions, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I come out with a new vlog, and enjoy the next vlogs coming out. Thanks for watching, guys.